has turned on the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Hi there. Here's what's new in Doc2Help 3. First, longtime Doc2Help users will notice some changes to templates, and there are some things you'll need to know when upgrading to this version of Doc2Help. When you open an old Doc2Help project, a prompt is shown asking if you want to upgrade the project to the new version. Upgrading your old project is necessary if you want to use the new version of Doc2Help, because doing so makes changes to removed target settings. In addition, if your project references source templates with the C1H prefix, you will also see a prompt asking if you want to update all of your pre-installed source templates to the new version. In previous Doc2Help upgrades, this would happen automatically. The new version uses D2H as the prefix for template names, and if you had a previous version of Doc2Help installed on your computer, your previous C1H templates will remain available and unchanged for your reference. Doc2Help has replaced the old Word 2007 .template files with newer Word 2007 templates that have updated Doc2Help ribbons. For more information about template changes and upgrading old Doc2Help projects, see this help topic. In addition to changes to templates, there are a couple of new templates available. These templates are called D2H_fancy, which is a source template, and D2H_PRfancy, which is the complementary target template. These templates are intended to help you produce print-based output that has a fancier look than other templates. This includes color, an image placed behind the text on the title page, an image placed behind the text in the headers, and a decorative image in the footers. One big change in Doc2Help 3 has to do with multimedia. In previous versions, there was an option in the Doc2Help ribbon in Word source documents that let you insert Flash videos. This option has been renamed Multimedia and enhanced to include more types of video. In addition to Flash movies, you can now insert the following types of multimedia: HTML5 videos, Windows Media Files, QuickTime movies, YouTube videos, and Vimeo videos. Variables have also been enhanced in this version. When adding a new text variable, you can now select one of three types: text, version, or date time. A text variable is the type that has been used in previous versions of Doc2Help. This lets you enter simple text. A version variable lets you enter a version in one of four available formats. The version number increments when you rebuild new output. Date time variables are based on Microsoft's custom date and time format strings. They let you automatically show the date and/or time based on a document's creation, when a document was saved, or when a target was generated. And by the way, you can associate conditions with text variables so that a single variable can have multiple unique outputs depending on your targets. Here's another new feature in Doc2Help 3. For the manual target type, you can specify a cover image in the Help Targets dialog, as opposed to embedding it in the template file. This is simply an easier, more convenient option and allows you to specify a cover image for specific targets. Also, a new property called Section Orientation is now available for manual targets. It lets you specify a portrait or landscape configuration for pages within a given section break in a Word document. You can set the section configuration on a specific paragraph style or an entire manual target. Doc to docx conversion is also new. This option, which can be found by selecting File, then Tools, lets you upgrade older Word documents to the newer docx format. The doc format is from Word 2003 and older versions of Word. The docx format, an open standard format based on XML, was introduced in Microsoft Office in 2007. Another change is that, in the Link dialog, you can now see all project topics listed. If a particular topic has been deleted as a result of the latest build, for example, maybe it was conditioned out of the target, it will be listed with a red X icon. So now you have the ability to create links to deleted topics without first rebuilding a target that is conditioned to include it. Finally, you will notice that HTML5 editing has been removed from Doc2Help, making it a more streamlined product for people who want to author in Microsoft Word. In addition, some older features such as NetHelp Classic, WinHelp, and Word 2003 support have been removed. For more details on these changes, as well as examples, see the What's New topic in the online help or the What's New PDF guide. Enjoy the new Doc2Help 3.